Hi, sweetie pies. I am doing my hair right now, and I thought I would just share the whole interlocking process, or some of, let me see, some of the interlocking process with you guys. I just started. I took a shower and shampooed my hair, and these are two. Let me give you guys a close up. This is all interlocking with this tool. Oh, currently, while I am interlocking the sides, I'm using this little edge wax extra hold as well. So I'm gonna do a couple more and then check back in with you guys. I don't have my tripod right now, so I'm gonna do it off camera and then come back. So here is a few more done. It's looking good. Went in like 3 or 4 times because I've let it go for a bit. Good morning, sweetie pies. If you are new, welcome. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so very much for your continuous support. I appreciate you, and I tell you all the time. I'm getting a vlog together for you guys. Actually getting like 3 vlogs together for you guys. Currently right here, editing. We're getting ready for work. We have to go pick up Jason because he's the only one that is working with us today. Pretty much is a light day. It's been light for the last few days. Just last night, I interlocked my hair. Finally. So excited because it looks so good. But yeah, they're growing. I really do appreciate this. But I do have a habit of cutting my ends, like, or stuff like that. This was a little knot. Yeah, I trimmed my ends last night as well. We're gonna go and get some breakfast, so we might share that with you guys. It's just nothing major. Probably even get a bagel, but I didn't do my edges. They're there. I had a scarf on. But yeah, I have a funny pattern of hair, like it's wavy and straight, and I don't know, it's all weird. But yeah, for today's agenda is working. I'm gonna get some footage. We have a couple of bills to pay today, so we need to handle that. And places don't open up until 12 on Sundays, so that's that. So after, while we're waiting on them places to open, we're gonna go and get some breakfast or early lunch, whichever one. We do have to go to both of the houses today, so I'm going to be showing you guys what we've done so far and what we have to do to complete the properties. We're trying to complete them this week. I wanted to show you guys when we went RV shopping to see, like, if we were to get an RV, what kind of RV we would get. We've quickly found out that we don't want like the coach style. We want the fifth wheel style if we were to ever do that. But we've been most recently. It's hubby. Thank you, babe. I've been wanting to show you guys a little bit more about like our van life, or like fifth wheel, whatever you want to call it. But we put that on hold because we've really been going hard on working lately, and we've been just showing you what we've been doing as far as that. I most definitely don't want to bore you guys. That's why, every little different thing that I can squeeze in there, like my husband and I going to the dentist. I was already sharing that with you previously to my new life change, or our life change. This is probably the only talking I'm gonna do in the vlog, like directly to you guys. Just enjoy this day. It's a Sunday, so it's a chill day. I also wanted to wash our sheets and work clothes for the week, and I'm gonna see if I can get that in there. I don't know how successful I'm going to be in achieving that. However, it's on the list. If I don't get it done today, I most definitely get it done tomorrow. What else? Oh, I have a list of things that I am going to be doing. My husband and I have been like really having like super epiphanies lately. Well, that happens all the time, but like lately, it's been specific epiphanies that we both have been having as it relates to recalibrating life, recalibrating situations, and removing some things and adding on some things as needed, all while like embracing the unknown with different situations. So one of the things that we noticed was the state of wanting is not accepting the facts, which is like being in the present moment, which is like being, just like having gratitude for whatever it is in the present moment, like the isness of things. I'm really not sure if you guys are getting what I'm saying, but I'm, trying to convey it. However, my point in bringing that up is I am taking out the word want, because I don't want anything, because I am everything, or we are, meaning we as in my husband and I, meaning we as in all of us being the part of the whole. However, like using the word want, it takes you out of the present moment. It sends you either in the past or the future, and the present moment doesn't require you, or accepting the facts doesn't require you to want anything. So I wrote a list of the things that I'm going to do so that they can just be done. Like it just is what it is. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. However, I tried. You ready? He hiding from y'all, yeah. But yeah, I just rendered this, and I'm going to be uploading this, having one drop Monday, Wednesday, and another one Friday. And this should be like y'all not gonna see this until about next week. So yeah, that's it. I held y'all up for like 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, it's so toasty in here, babe. You can't hide from y'all in the car. Babe, is there an issue? My husband, I love him so much. But yeah, we're in the car now. We're gonna go pick up Jason, like I just told you guys, and grab some breakfast / lunch. Say hi to them. You've been ignoring
What
them.
up, y'all? What it do? What it does?
You better say hi to our friends.
Shit.
I know it is on hell. But yeah, you guys can really see like my hair now in the daylight. I have to do my husband's hair. I started his hair, but he was sleepy one day, so we just stopped. And that was a couple of days ago. But I'm gonna interlock his hair too. I don't think my hair's, I don't see the length. It's been like this for a while. I guess because I keep cutting the ends. So I keep cutting it. Where he going? Dang, I gotta cut this off. It's super hot. Good morning or good afternoon, sweetie pies. It's about 11 o'clock on Wednesday. I am barefaced, no earrings, no eyebrows, no anything. My husband and I just came from a meeting with our PM and at 9 o'clock, and now it's 11 o'clock because it's an hour away from the 2 homes that we're working on now. It's an hour away, so it actually took us 2 hours. So we're getting a late start at work today. But this is the house right now. And I just wanted to show you the progress on the house thus far. This is one of the 2 homes that we're working on currently right now. So the flooring is down. It's okay. Oh, they took off the doors. I have to put the doors back on. New carpet. Ooh. Oh, the vanity. Oh my goodness. These floors were not changed. However, we need to change them. Or the So here is how the paint job is coming along on this house. So all we have to do is this piece right here. We need to get a longer ladder. But this is gray with charcoal gray there and charcoal gray here. So, and right there. So look, this is the progress in here. This is the progress. This is the living room. This is the flooring. This is what is going on in the kitchen. We have demoed the cabinets and the flooring is down. And this is how it's looking from this angle. I came to get this drill and this battery. And this is the door. We replaced this door. Oh, it's looking a little dark. Let me look over here. Oh, it's looking dark. Oh, here we go. Ah. Yeah, we replaced the doors. Let me take you guys upstairs. This is all new carpet. This is how it's looking up here. All new carpet. Everything is painted. Yes, we finished painting. I think in the vlog before this one, you guys are going to see us painting. It was still yellow under there, but these floors are still here in the bathroom. Here is the second room. New carpet. We're at the finish line, guys. This is the third bedroom. New carpet. So everything is looking good thus far. It still looks the same, but we put in the light fixture. Everything is in the tub because everything had to be off of the floors. But yeah, we still have to get rid of this refrigerator. But this is the overall right now. Oh my gosh, doesn't it look way different? But yeah, we put up that fan light, also the flush mount. All the blinds are replaced. Yes. So yeah, I have to go back down to the other house, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. So I'll see you back at the other house. The outside is looking good. But yeah.